Hey everyone, welcome back to Masha's Art and Crafts, and today we are going to make a fortune teller. So let's start. Okay, so we'll be needing a piece of paper. It can be lined up or it can be a normal white paper, some sketch pens. So let's start. Okay, so first we'll be needing this. And we'll be folding it to a triangle. Okay, so see, from here to here. Okay, so make sure the fold is proper. Okay, so now as you can see, I've made a triangle like this. And now I'll fold it properly. Okay, now you can see this part which is not folded for a triangle, so you have to cut it out. Okay, so for the steps of cutting it, you'll be needing that much part, and you'll be folding it up to make a boat. Okay. And make sure you folded it properly. Okay. Okay, so now as you can see, I've folded it as a boat, and from the back it should look like this. So now I take off the fold and cut it out. Okay, so now as you can see, I've done like this. So now the back side, you can see the center line, so you have to bring all the peaks over there. Okay, so now it will become a smaller piece. So now we are ready with our fortune teller. So now let's start with the coloring. But before that, you have to flip it backwards, and you can see something like this. So you have to fold it like this. Okay, so now I folded it and it's looking like this. So now I press the fold properly, and when I remove it, I have to fold it from this side too, and from the opposite side, not from the same side you did. Okay, and the other side. Okay, so now we are ready. So now like this. Okay, so now our tippy tip top is ready, but now we have to color and write the numbers inside. So now you can see these outer parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So over there you can write any color you want. For example, I'll write pink, orange, yellow, green, or maybe pink, orange, yellow, red. Okay, so now I've got a pink sketch pen, orange sketch pen, yellow sketch pen, and a red sketch pen. So now I'll write. So you can color the whole block, or you can write the color, name of the color inside. So instead of coloring the whole block, I think so we can write the name of the color. So I'll write red. Okay, so red. Now I'll write yellow or pink. Like this. And now from the next side, I'll write yellow and orange. So make sure when you write yellow, the color is not too light. So if it's too light, you can again write it Okay, so here I've written yellow and now I'll write orange. Okay, so see, over here I've done yellow and orange, and over here pink and red. So now I'll open it, and over here we can see these lines. So over here I'll write 8 numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I will write it with a black marker. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now I've written the numbers from 1 to 8. So now I'll open the number folds like this, and over here I'll write something. So what you have to do is, don't write one full sentence between these two numbers. For example, 7 and 8. So I won't write a full sentence. I'll write one sentence below 7, one sentence below 8, like that. So I'll write with not a black marker, maybe with a sea green. Okay. So for example, I will write you like pets. So I'll write it in the one column. You like pets. So make sure when you write it, your marker tip is thin, not fat. Otherwise the whole sentence won't fit inside. So that's why we need a thin tip. Okay. So now in 2, I can write you like the color black. Okay, you like the color black. Even I like it. You like, or if you don't have so much space, instead of writing you like the color black, you can write you like black. So I don't have so much space, so I'll write you like black. Okay, so see, I've written you like pets and you like black. So now in the third and fourth column, in the third I can write you do a lot of makeup. You do a lot of makeup. Okay, so here I've written you like a lot of makeup. So now in the fourth column I can write you like school, or maybe I can write you are 80 years old. You are 80 years old. So here I've written you are 80 years old. So now in the fifth column I can write you like to eat watermelon. I just got that from my pencil pouch idea. So you like to eat, or maybe I can write apple. Okay, so here I've written you like to eat apple. So in the in the sixth column, I'll write you like cutting. You like cutting. Okay, so in the last column of 7 and 8, in 7, I can write you are a reader, or maybe you are a painter. You are a painter. So over here I've written you are a painter. So in the 8th column, so see, only 8th is left. So I'll write you like to color. You like to color. Okay. So over here I've written all the sentences. So I'll close it. Okay, so here you can see the colors and over here the numbers. So now, you remember the fold you did? So fold it. Now put your index finger inside over here, like this. And your thumb over here, like this. And you can do the same, and you will do the same with the orange and yellow. Okay, so we are ready with a fortune teller. So now we can play tippy tippy tip top. Which color do you want? So for example, I want, from this column there is only 7, 8, 4 and 3. So for example, I want 8. Tippy tippy tip top. Which color do you want? I want orange. Okay, so we'll do nothing with the color, just like that. And now with the 8, you like to color. I do. Bye. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel to enjoy watching my videos. Bye.